5 things you didn't know about the human muscle system. Introduction. The human muscle system is an important part of our bodies and it enables us to carry out all sorts of activities without even thinking. The human muscle system is an important part of our bodies and it enables us to carry out all sorts of activities without even thinking about them. The human muscle system is made up of 3 different types of muscles: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. These muscles work in conjunction with each other to make sure that we are able to function as humans. Skeletal muscles are the ones that are attached to the bones and they contract when we move our body parts. Smooth muscles control the movement of food through our digestive tract and they also help regulate blood flow throughout the body. Cardiac muscles are found in the heart and they contract rhythmically to pump blood throughout the body. How muscles are formed in the body and how they work. Muscles are formed by a number of cells called muscle cells. These muscle cells are grouped together to form what is known as a muscle fiber. The fibers then join together to form the muscles that we can see and use. The contractions of these muscles are controlled by a system of nerves which originate from the brain and spinal cord, but also from special muscles in the body called motor neurons. Muscles work because when they contract, they produce tension in their fibers which pulls on other parts of the body with them. This is how our arms move when we use them to lift something heavy or open a door. Our brain sends signals to our arm muscles telling them to contract so they pull on our arm and open up the door. Outline for the muscles in your body. Muscles in your body. Your muscles are the powerhouse of your body. They are the physical force that allows you to do everything from opening a door to running a marathon. There are 3 different types of muscle tissue that make up your muscles: skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. Skeletal muscle is the type that you use when you exercise. Cardiac muscle helps your heart pump blood around your body, while smooth muscles are the ones that help control your digestive system and regulate lung function by contracting and relaxing. Cardiac muscle is also called myocardial muscle, while smooth muscle is also called visceral or involuntary muscle. Conclusion. There are lots of things we take for granted about our bodies. One example is how much we depend on our muscles to do things for us. We take for granted how much we depend on our muscles to do things for us. For example, when we are sitting or standing, our muscles are working to keep us balanced. When we walk, our muscles are working to move the body forward. Muscles also help regulate the body's temperature by generating heat and cooling it down when needed. Muscles work with other systems in the body like the circulatory system and nervous system to make sure that everything is working well together. Some of the muscles that make up the body are: the heart has 2 sets of 4 chambers, which are pumped by the left and right ventricles. The right atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs, while the left atrium receives deoxygenated blood from body tissues. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that divides and separates the chest cavity into upper and lower parts. It pushes down to pump air into lungs and out again.